Okay, the question is, what kind of pictures should you put in your product listings to show people the sizes of things? And what we're seeing with Etsy now is that they're not encouraging people to go to the description. And in the Q4 presentation, one of the things they were very excited about is the fact that they have that buy now button in search results. And the rationale for that just makes my brain hurt, because they said that Etsy search is so good now, and you can get so much information from the search results itself that you don't even have to go to the description. And you can just click that buy now button and get it and not even have to read the description. What? What? Okay, so let's just take all of the reality out of that. But the fact is that Etsy is encouraging people to not go to the listing. Okay, that's bizarre to me. So what you need to do is make sure that you have pictures that actually tell the story in your listing. And what I would do, and I just thought of this, is that sometimes when you hover over the first listing photo, the video comes up, right? That's important because I don't think the second listing photo comes up. I don't think the third listing photo comes up, but the video does. So use that video and the first listing photo to tell people what they need to know about this item. And that's really important. Now, the videos can only be 8 to 15 seconds long. So that's short, but they do loop. So if you have a picture of the dimensions, take the video of that. Etsy isn't looking at what is the video of, what's the quality of the video. They're just saying, is the video there? And we're going to show that. So if there's something that you want people to know about that listing, put it in the video, and that will help them make the decision if they've got that buy now button and Etsy saying, just click this, don't even go to the listing. Okay. So make sure that you've got the first photo and the video that has all the information that the customer would need to know. I know that's a tough call, but it's just something that's going to help people make that decision. And then if they do see that buy now button and they click it, at least they've seen it. And I think that we have seen an uptick in people complaining that they didn't get what they wanted or whatever. And it's because they're not being taken to the descriptions. And even if they do go to the descriptions, a lot of people don't read. Make sure that your descriptions are bullet pointed, sort of. Don't put big walls of text. And when I say a big wall of text, I'm talking about more than 2 sentences in one paragraph. All right. This is not English class. We're not writing like you wrote in English class anymore. You have to write for short attention spans and people who are skimming. So just think of it that way. And just make it easy as possible for people to get in there, make a quick decision and get out, because that's what Etsy is pushing and that's what they're trying to do. And we kind of have to follow what they're doing because that's what they're encouraging people to do. So think of the first video, the first listing photo in the video, and work that. Just work that for information. And honestly, I just thought of the video thing as I was talking about this. So I think that's a helpful tip.